Hey YouTube, Bellsong10 coming to you with a new YouTube video. It's at my job today, and I got two new knives. I'm going to show them one video at a time. This video is going to be on the Smith & Wesson S.W.A.T. And it's the model number is the S.W.A.T. The entire thing is made out of stainless steel. Everything's stainless, which is nice. The blade is 3.203 inches. The handle, or the closed length, is 4.86 inches. So the overall length is something around, I'll give you this, it's straightforward, is 7.289 inches. So 7.289. The entire thing is actually made out of 440C stainless steel, which is pretty nice. It's actually a very, very light knife. It's 3.89 ounces. It's not assisted. I wish it was, and I wish it kind of had a thing right here, but that's just me. However, the thumb stud, if you give it a nice good flick, it's coming out very quickly. It's like, it's almost spring assisted, but it's not. But it's very close. It's like spring assisted without the spring, kinda, in a way. I like the pocket clip. I wish it would be, the pocket clip was more up here, but that's just me. Like, maybe if they, instead of having two things like there, they would have them side by side, be more up. It does have a lanyard hole. One of the things I definitely like about it is the perches right here. They're nice and sharp. Not like sharp like cutting yourself, but if you're choking up, your finger's not gonna move. It is probably serrated. It has a this is actually a frame lock. So the actual frame comes in. It's not a liner lock, it's an actual frame lock. A liner lock would be, there was a frame that was just like this, and then there would be a lock in it, like, as well. It's just a frame lock, though. The thumb stud is it's kind of a weird shape, but I like the feel of it. It's very thin. I'd say it's about 5/16 thick. I thought about it a little bit before I did the video. It's very sharp. For a second, I will do a demo. Make a piece of paper. Let's do a quick little demo. Very sharp. Then again, it is a new knife, so... Oops, that was a mess up. Come on. Alright, so yeah, it's very sharp. What the heck was that? Oh, it's my remote. It's, I like it a lot. It's a nice knife. Overall, I give it a good grade. There's a smaller one than that. This is the medium one. I don't actually know if they even make a larger one. I wish they did, though. But, these things, I like these lines here. I mean, they don't give much for grip, but it's a little bit. I mean, like, I'm pushing down. My hand's not sliding much. And I wasn't even gripping it that hard. But, I like it. It's definitely a good tool. Yeah, that was, the Smith & Wesson S.W.A.T. I'm gonna just review the, specs real quick. It is, well, I kind of tore up the page. Here it is. It is stainless steel handle and, blade. It is completely 100% 440C. Everything's 440C. It weighs 3.89 ounces. Its blade length is 3.203 inches. Its close length is 4.086 inches. It is a total of 7.289 inches. Its model number is S.W.A.T. 3400. Have a nice day.